It's a very hot summer day today. Thanks for joining me here at Margaret LALIK'S kitchen. It's very hot and I don't feel like cooking today. Therefore, I decided to make a salad. To make a salad, I need some herbs. I'm going to pick some chives, parsley, and mint, and we are going to make a potato salad. I also have a lemon tree right behind there, and lemons are from my garden, herbs are from my garden. The only thing I need to buy is the potatoes. So I also have potatoes at home. It's very simple and easy. So let me start picking my herbs and then we'll continue and we'll make our salad. Look at my mint. It smells so good. Those are pretty big size and it smells out of this world. I think I got enough mint. Now I'm going to pick some parsley. So let's go to the other side and then we'll pick our parsley. My chives, the green onions, I just planted it. I don't have too much. Whatever was grown, which was this much, I just picked everything. Now we'll pick some parsley and then we'll continue making our salad. I picked my herbs. This is what I was able to pick. I don't need too much mint, but I picked a little more because, like I said, I can always use it. My parsley, I did not have enough parsley, but I have picked earlier, so I'm going to use that too, and some green onions. If you don't have green onions, or if you prefer to use red onions instead, you can also use red onions or white onions. The onion you can substitute. That's all. So now we're ready. I picked my herbs. Now I'm going to show you how to make the potato salad. Let's go in and make the salad. I cleaned the herbs. Now I'm washing it. You have to wash it a few times because it might have some dirt in it. So changing the water a couple of times. I'm also boiling 5 medium-sized potatoes. I peeled the potatoes. Now I'm cutting it into small bite-sized pieces. I'm also cutting the herbs, the green onions, mint and parsley. That's all we need. Like I said in the beginning, if you prefer to use red onions, you can also use red onions or white onions. I also like it with the red onions. That's my preference. But today I wanted to use everything from my garden, so I'm using green onions. You can also grill some hot dogs, or you can also make some cutlets on the side of this salad, and you can make it a full meal. You can serve this with any kind of protein on the side, and it will become a full meal. I'm also adding salt, pepper, black pepper and red pepper. This is to your taste. I'm adding half a teaspoon, but you can add as much as you prefer. It's to your preference. Also adding extra virgin olive oil. That's your preference too, as much as you want. I'm adding about half a cup, and lemon juice. And you can add the lemon juice to your taste too. I'm tossing it. You can toss it and taste it. If you need more, you can always add more. Let me see if I need to add more salt and pepper or lemon juice. I'm tasting it. I don't think I need anything. I'm just going to continue mixing it and plate it. And the salad is ready. It's so easy. Here is another summer salad recipe. I hope you liked my recipe. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye-bye.